Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin in Settings. Open Screen Time and tap Turn on Screen Time, then choose whether this is your iPhone or your child's. Once done, set a screen time passcode. This prevents easy overrides. Make sure you pick a 4-6-digit code you won't forget, because that code controls app limits and downtime. You're starting the enforcement layer now. Without a passcode, anyone can extend time, so this step protects the limits you'll add next. Next, tap App Limits and Add Limit. Pick entire categories or tap specific apps to target a single app. Choose an overall daily time, then use customized days to set different allowances for weekdays versus weekends. This is crucial for realistic schedules. Once selected, enable Block at End of Limit to force the lock when time runs out. You can edit limits later, but customize now so the policy matches your routine and avoids unnecessary workarounds. To finish, configure downtime for quiet hours and always allowed for essential apps like phone. Once limits are active, monitor weekly reports to see whether you should loosen or tighten time, adjust limits accordingly. If someone tries to bypass limits, screen time requires the passcode, so keep it secure. If you lose the passcode, use Apple ID recovery options or a device restore to reset screen time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.